So friends, in this module we are going to learn about history and evolution of Six Sigma. So let's start by understanding journey of excellence, and we can see here the journey of excellence which has come over the years starting from 1920s to 2000 and beyond. We can see different phases of quality evolution, and the first step is period between 1920 and 1940s, very early days, wherein we were mostly talking about inspection. The focus was on inspection, and it was being believed that the products or the services, until only that is being inspected, you cannot ensure quality. And some of the gurus who have contributed a lot on evolution of various quality philosophy or management philosophy, one of them, the prominent figure, is Frederick Taylor, who has given the concept of time and motion studies. Moving on from this period, the next phase is between 1940 and 1960s. So lots of focus was there on statistical process control during this time, and some of the prominent figures like Dr. Edward Deming, who has contributed a lot for development of various quality philosophy methods, and a prominent figure in Japanese evolution of quality management post Second World War. He visited Japan very often. In fact, his colleague Joseph Juran, he also visited many times to Japan and taught various concepts of quality control, quality management and statistical process control to managements of various industries at Japan, which laid the foundation of excellence in the field of quality at Japan. So Walter Stewart, who was a prominent figure in the field of statistical process control, and he developed the concept of control charts also. So using statistical technique for reducing variability, that was the focus during this period, 1940s and 1960s. Quality control was the focus, and Dr. Deming was the prominent figure during this time. And in fact, because of his contribution in the field of quality management and other initiatives, he is being regarded as father of quality. Moving on to the next phase, that is 1960 and 1980s. So Philip Crosby, who was the prominent figure again in the field of quality and given the concept of cost of quality, and Kaoru Ishikawa, who was given the concept of Fishbone diagram or cause and effect diagrams, are very popularly used for resolving issues in Six Sigma projects. Not only Six Sigma project, but also in routine problem solvings, whether it is working on rejection reduction within the organization, or defect reduction, or handling customer complaints. Through any methodology, cause and effect diagram is a very common tool which is being used. So organization tuned toward quality, focus has increased during this time, and the concept of total quality management, TQM, has evolved during this time, and focus was also on quality assurance. So moving from quality control to assurance. So we can see here during this time the focus was on inspection, and during this period the focus has moved on to quality control. So some evolution has come, and during this time we were talking about quality assurance and total quality management, and some of the other concept which has also evolved during this period, that is quality circles, just in time, TPM and total quality control. So many concept has evolved. In fact, there were lots of concept pertaining to lean manufacturing which has also evolved, and later on lean initiatives were also used during Six Sigma projects. That has basically come during 2000 and beyond. So people started understanding the importance of lean along with Six Sigma, and they started using Lean Six Sigma, which has come post 2000. Okay, now coming back to this point, total quality management was the focus area, and we were evolving as an industry step by step, phase by phase manner, and many prominent figure they were contributing with different concepts. Now coming to 87 and beyond, during this time, concept of Six Sigma has evolved. Bill Smith, the person behind the concept of Six Sigma, working as an engineer, scientist at Motorola, and he has given this concept, and later on it has been modified, amended, suiting to the industry needs. And during this time we can also see that concept of zero defect, which has also evolved. Business process re-engineering, it was also a focus point. Focus has moved on from plant level control to customer focus or customer centric organization. Okay, and Lean Six Sigma, that started taking a root during 2000 and beyond. So lean manufacturing and Six Sigma both has their unique features. Lean primarily focuses on waste reduction or elimination of waste. We know that there are 7 kinds of waste. In fact, there are Muda, Mura and Muri, 3M, which organization focus for elimination or reduction of waste, whereas Six Sigma works on principle of reduction of variation reduction. Okay, so lean manufacturing and Six Sigma working both on reduction of variation and waste elimination. Okay, so it has power of both the things. Optimized flow from the customer point of view, that is also a focus point for lean. So lot many prominent figures we can see, and they have all contributed a lot, and this is how over a period of time the industry has evolved.